Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install League of Legends on Linux, because I know many people have trouble with it and I certainly had trouble with it. But before we start this tutorial, I need you to know two things, which are what your Linux distro is and how to open a terminal on it. You don't need to know any terminal commands, but I'm going to guide you through everything. Okay, so let's begin if you already know all of the stuff. Okay, first things first, we're gonna need to download Lutris. If you already have it, good, you can skip this part, but if you don't, we're gonna install it by navigating to this page, lutris.net/downloads. The link is gonna be in the description. And what we do is look for our Linux distro. For me, it's gonna be Arch Linux because I use Arco, but for you, it might be Fedora or, for example, Ubuntu if you use Ubuntu, Mint, or PopOS. What you do is just copy the command right here, for me for example, sudo pacman-s lutris, and paste it into my terminal. I confirm it and I have Lutris. For you, it might be this command right here, one by one, you paste it, and here command if you use Fedora, SUSE, or such. The link is going to be in the description. Okay, so now when you have Lutris installed, next thing we're going to need is install drivers. To install drivers, we need to navigate to this page right here. It's a GitHub page. Link is going to be in the description. And here are quite a few distros. Most popular ones are here. For example, if you have Ubuntu, Mint, you just navigate to this section right here. If you have NVIDIA, you copy this command right here to your terminal. If you have AMD, you copy this command right here. But if you have Arch or derivatives of Arch like Manjaro or Endeavor, you're gonna need to perform some extra steps, which I'm gonna show you how to do it. You're gonna need to go to /etc/pacman.conf file. To do it, you just need to write sudo, then your favorite text editor. For me, it's gonna be NeoVim, so I write nvim, but for you it might be Visual Studio Code, so you just write, instead of nvim, you write code. It might be nano, so you write nano, and after this you write /etc/pacman.conf. Okay, good. You open this file, and here you need to navigate down until you find multilib. Yeah, here. It might be commented for you at the start, but you just need to remove these symbols right here before it and save this file. For me, it's gonna be ;wq and enter. Good. Okay. And now for Arch Linux, we just need to write these commands right here after, of course, updating. But I think if you use Arch or Arch derivative distro, you already know this stuff. Very good. But if you're using Ubuntu, you don't need it. Okay, it's just for the Arch guys. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is navigate to this page right here, which is Wine. Wine is a layer that translates Windows games to Linux games, basically, just from DirectX to Vulkan, for example. So here is almost the same page, but just with different commands. Here we have like Arch, Manjaro, derivatives, Ubuntu. Once again, it asks us to go to this pacman.conf file if we have Arch, but we already did, so we don't need it. And all of the other distros are also here. Okay, these huge commands for each of the distro, you just need to copy them, paste them into your terminal, click OK, very simple stuff. Okay, very good. Now that we installed it, finally we can continue to the next step, which is install League of Legends itself. For it, we come to the League of Legends page. The link is once again going to be in the description. You just come to this page. You need to first register for Lutris. Very basic stuff, just writing your username, email address, password, confirmation of your password, and confirm it on your email. Very good. Okay, now you click on Add to my library, and now when you open your Lutris, which I already did, you're gonna be in the Games tab. You're not gonna have any games here, so what you're gonna need to do is click on Lutris. Here you're gonna have a sign in button, and you just sign in. Okay, very good. You're gonna see League of Legends here, a little transparent, like I have Legends of Runeterra, but I already have League of Legends installed, so I don't need to do it. you're gonna have to click on install button right here. I already installed it, so I'm gonna click install another version, but for you it's just gonna be the install button. Here you're gonna have standard or standard Oceania region if you live there, okay? And you click on install right here. The installation is very simple. If you need desktop shortcuts, you can click on these buttons right here. You just click install and install League of Legends. Very basic stuff, but some people may have trouble after it. Okay, so what we need to do first is navigate back to your terminal and use this command right here. The command is going to be in the description, but you might need to use it every time before you start League of Legends, or maybe just once, depends on your system, but the command is going to be in the description. You just click on it. You might need to write down your password. Okay, and we're done. Now we need to click play on League of Legends, check if the game is working. If it's working, very good. But also I recommend one more step, which is clicking on this arrow button right here. Click configure, and here you're gonna have system options tab. You click on the system options tab and scroll down to see DXVK state cache path. Okay, so this thing might ruin your League of Legends after a couple of games, so I highly recommend to remove this path right here. You're gonna have some path in your system right here, and change it to 0. Click enter, and also change this path to just cache, and click save. Now your League of Legends should be finally working. If you click play, you're gonna open your League of Legends. Just make sure to test it in your game, in your private game, so you don't ruin someone's day. And if something is not working, don't worry. First things first, you need to navigate to this page right here, which is a wiki page for League of Legends Linux community. And here you have some common problems and how to solve them right here. Very good. And if nothing from here works, you can just navigate to the subreddit itself, which is the hub for everything Riot Games on Linux, and ask some nice people over there. It has 8K members and there are a lot of people ready to help you. So I hope League of Legends works now for you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and maybe subscribe, and I'll see you later. If nothing works for you, you might want to write it in the comments. Okay, thank you, bye.